How to share your Google Voice number. First of all, open your preferred browser and go to voice.google.com. Make sure you are signed in with the Google account linked to your Google Voice number. Once you are logged in, look at the top right and you will find the gear icon. Tap on it. In the settings menu, find the section labeled linked numbers under the account section. Here you will see your Google Voice number displayed clearly. To share it, simply copy the number by selecting it and pressing Ctrl+C or right-click and choose Copy. Now you can paste it anywhere you want to share via email, messaging apps, social media, or even verbally to friends and colleagues. Now you know how to share your Google Voice number. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.